Good afternoon, children. In today's class, we are going to study about punctuation. Where do we use punctuation mark? We are going to study that. Today, we are going to study the uses of exclamation mark. Where do we use exclamation mark? We use exclamation mark when we express any kind of strong feeling or emotions. When we express strong feelings such as happiness, shock, surprise, anger, then we use exclamation mark. Or when we give some command, when I say sit down, this is a command. Stop, use after interjections or exclamations. If I say, oh, what has happened? Alas, this is a wonderful news. So we use exclamation mark with these expressions or feelings. Generally we use in informal writing. Informal writing means informal writing is the writing where we use informal language, or we can say personal letters or personal writing, where we use languages in a more personal way. So exclamation marks are used in informal writing. For example, I told you, can I make a suggestion? You did a great job. Oh, what a great news. Oh, what a sad news. I'm so happy today. So these are the exclamations. These words are expressing some kind of feelings, whether it's happiness, sadness, or shock, surprise. Oh, you did well. So, oh, today I'm so happy. Wow, such a great news. So these are the exclamations. These are the exclamations where we are making a strong, where we are showing some strong feeling or emotions. Understood? In the sentences where we are showing our strong feelings or emotions, there we use exclamation mark. Clear? Now, second comes apostrophe. Now, where do we use an apostrophe? We use apostrophe when you take a letter out of a word. When we have to take a letter out of a word, then we put an apostrophe in its place. For example, do not. Do not. We also write do not as don't. So DON apostrophe T. So we have taken out the letter. We have taken out letter O from do not, and we have made a short form don't. So in the case where the letter which you have taken out, we put apostrophe in its place. So the letter which you are taking out, we put apostrophe in its place. So in do not, can not, we are taking letter O out, and in the place of O we are putting apostrophe. Clear? Now, the second use is apostrophe also show that something belongs to something else. Understood? That apostrophe also show that something belongs to something else. Like what belongs to someone. Like for example, the cat's tail. So the tail belongs to cats. The tail belongs to cat. The car's lights. So the lights belong to cars. So we use cats, CAT apostrophe S. So it shows that the tail belong to cats. Clear? Lights belongs to cars. So cars. So whatever the thing belongs to whom, like the thing belongs to whomsoever, we use apostrophe to that thing. For example, the light belongs to car. So we have used apostrophe with car. We have used apostrophe and S with car. So the tail belongs to cat. So we have used apostrophe with cat, apostrophe, and S with cat. So whatever the thing belongs to whomsoever, we use apostrophe with it. Example, if I say, now, for example, this is Ram's book. This is Ram's book. RAM apostrophe S. So this means that this book belongs to Ram. Clear? Now, if there's already an S to the end, put the apostrophe after. So if there is already an S, there's an S in the word. If the word is already ending with S, then we put apostrophe after S. For example, the boys coats. So the boys coats. So it shows there is already the boys is ending with S. The word boys is already ending with S. So we'll just put apostrophe after S. Understood? Then we won't put apostrophe and S. We will just put an apostrophe because the word boys is already ending with S. So the word which is already ending with S, we don't put apostrophe S, we just put apostrophe to it. Now, next rule is, do not add an apostrophe if you are using a plural. So we don't put apostrophe if we are using a plural noun. Then we just add an S. Understood? We don't use apostrophe with plural noun. We don't use apostrophe with plural noun. We just add S to it. Understood, student? So first rule was, when we have to take a letter out of a word, then we put apostrophe in the place of that letter. Second, when we show if something belongs to someone. Understood? Clear? Have a nice day. Thank you.